Hi friends, see this task list. This list is created dynamically by taking the data or all the tasks from a dictionary. You can see here the dictionary is there. Now let us just add one more task to this. So here I am just pasting it, the fourth one. So I have saved this and running again. So you can see the fourth task is also added. Like it will follow all the strike out, and if the task is completed I can remove it also. So these check boxes are, or the task list is created dynamically. So you can in next part you can see that how this data can be taken from a database and manage it easily. We'll learn all about this. We'll start from where we left in the part 1, where we have discussed about how the font styles are changed, and on the event, on the click event. So when the check to uncheck or uncheck to check, the checkbox changes its set, how the fonts are managed. And now I am just pasting a little text here. So at the top the label is displayed. So bold, underline, it is displayed, that task list. And one important, here one dictionary is stored. It has a keys of A, B, C, because keys have to be unique. And the task, here you can see the value part I have just written the what are the tasks are there, A, B, C. So B my task number 2, C is my, so value part is the task and it has a unique key. As usual, dictionary should have a unique key. Now to this, because it won't change the layout anything, because it is 2 lines only we have added. So now let's move and create our task based on this dictionary. This dictionary has 3 tasks. So let's come here first, and we'll, before that, to store the references, this is important because we'll create a blank dictionary here. So this dictionary is where we'll be storing our references to the check buttons. Okay, here. Now after this I will just create I equal to it will let us start from 1. So row 1, because this will hold the dynamically the row values. Here I have used the row 0 for the top label. We can see that also. Okay, let's just see the window how it looks. You can see now, because we have, yeah, here you can see only one will come, because in the part 1 we had discussed about this one, and the task list at the top label we have added. Below that, now the task will be taken from the dictionary whatever we are going to use. Now here you can see I equal to 1. Now from here I will go use a loop here for k in my dict. My dict is my dictionary with having the keys. So my dict dot keys. Now this particular one will return me all the keys of the dictionary, what I am declared at line number 13, the dictionary that I am taking, and inside that, this loop, I will keep everything inside this. Okay, fine. Up to this point from the part 1 we had discussed. So this is there. Now the variable I am declaring inside. So inside the loop, every time this variable will be used. Now let's say check button, but here where is my check button is here. Text is not text. I will directly take it from the, because from the dictionary whatever is there. So I will say here, instead of directly writing, I will say here, read it from the my dict. My dict is the my dictionary whatever I am using here, and the key is k. So k, the value part it will take. So it will display me the task. So k will take, the first one will be k will be a, say the first loop k is a, then its value, my task number 1 will be coming to here. Note that when this is the way the value part I am displaying it here. Now the variable is var. Fine. Online true, offline, font is f normal, and foreground is blue. Command. Now here let's keep the everything else same. Now ck is the grid. Here what I will do, the row I will fix it as I, because first it will take value of I equal to 1. Now below that, though I will write some more things, so I am writing I equal to I plus 1. So inside the loop, next task will be next row, next task will be like that, it will continue. So I equal to I plus 1. So row, it will start from row 1, then 1, 2, 3 based on the number of task I have. So let's just go, here let it be like this. Now we'll add one important thing. what's this? We have declared one reference here, my reference here. Now that reference will use it. Now here what happens, my ref is a blank dictionary here to hold the reference values. So that reference value I am adding elements to it. So what I am going to do is k. I am using the same key. K is the key. First it will A, then it will be B, then it will be C. You can see the line number 13. The keys are there. So my reference key, that means this data will be inserted. Instead of the value, what I will do, I will store a list on it. So I am saying ck var. What is this ck var? Ck is the check button inside the loop, dynamically what is created, and var is the associated variable with that check button. So in the next loop, it will take the next check button references and the variable is the associated variable. So like that it will be using. So every time this loops through, and this you understand this because it is a list now. The value is a list. Here in the original dictionary, the key is same and the value is our task. Here in this case, the check button reference and the variable reference, these two we are holding because this particular one will be carrying to our inside our option or the function what we will be executing. Now here we have to pass it, but before that let's just see once how it looks. It has gone below this, so I have to pad x, pad y, I have to reduce it because there are 3 tasks are there if you have seen. So height is not sufficient to hold all the 3. Now pad y I have reduced. You can see now the 3 tasks taken from the dictionary at line number 13, that is displayed, but the click one we are not able to pass it. We'll see now how to pass the reference. Now while calling the function on the click event, I will pass the key to it. So I will write here k. K is the key. Here it is in the loop. So that key I am passing, but I must take the value first. So for that I will write it here while think k equal to k, and because this k is taken from the loop and that value I am passing it here. So now my function here at the top will receive the value here. Okay, here again also I am using the k, so it can easily understand that this is the key of it. So the key I am receiving, you can write the comment. When the source code you are downloading, all the comments are already there, so you can read and refer it. Now coming to the first, the checkpoint. Here what is that we are checking now is the what is the status of what particular check button reference is passed. To get the reference for that one, I will say my ref. Now here you see I am giving the key here. That means this particular element of the dictionary means that key, that particular reference dictionary, that key I am using, and 1. What is why 1? It is because I am, see the value part, it moment I am, this particular one will return me the value part of it, but this time the value contains a list, not a directly a text value or anything, and in that list there are 2 elements, 0 element and 1 element. So 0 element is the reference to the check button and the 1 element holds me the variable what I have declared. In fact, this is nothing but what is this line number 17. Each check button inside the loop, this variable, and you can see this here also. While referring, while creating it, I am adding the value part of the dictionary is a list. So 0th element, and this is, you can see this is the 1 element. So this one I am referring it here. 1 get equal to true. Fine. I hope this line is clear because this is the holds the key how we are checking it. Now coming back to here, now this is no more a single, now it is a reference I have to use. So I'll write my ref. My reference is my ref holds me the value of all the check buttons. K is the particular, now I am coming, and 0. Here 0 means the first element. First element is holds the reference. Again just scroll down here. Here you can see this is the 0th element. What I am storing it, adding to the reference dictionary, then that I am accessing here. That config font. Okay, let's just font F done. FG is green. K0. Okay, so now that part is there. Now let me just copy the same thing to my else part. Sorry, it will come here. Paste it here. This line I will delete. Now here f done. Now f normal. So it is, if it is from unchecked, if it is checked to unchecked, then normal. Then f done means if the user has checked it. If it is checked, the value will be true. So this one font will be applied. Now I think font also we are changing. Blue we are making. I think you can add some more things also if you want. So that's all. Let's just save this and run once. Let's just see. Yeah, here it is, our list. If I'll click it, see both, because here you just see about line number overstrike and italic, so both are applying. You want bold it also, you can make it whatever way you want. So I am just clicking. Now let's uncheck and check it. Once I am unchecking this, the else part is working. You just see f is normal and foreground is blue. So this else part is working on that way. So here what actually the main thing is that we are creating a dictionary and then the task list. Why we have gone for dictionary is because in the next part we will see how this dictionary is created by taking data from a different sources. It can be a SQLite database, it can be MySQL, or it can be Excel, it can be a comma separated value or CSV, or from a Google Sheet also. So whatever it is, we will take it from there. And once you are done with this or changes done to this, the same thing will update at the back end also. So that's what we are planning for the next part. So we'll stop here. I request you, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add the new tutorials. We frequently do that also. And please share this with your friends, this video, and please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.